Okay, so we're getting ready to go on a bike ride. It's Crochet with Kay and Gabby Callie. Hey. And this is another vlog, of course. So this is the beginning of the day. It's like, what time is it?
Like 9.
It's like 9 something. We just woke up, went on a walk, and now we're gonna get on a bike ride. And then we'll see what happens later. Oh my god, I'm so tired. But it's time for a break. Let's see if you can see me. Whew. Oh. Happy Kelly. Crochet with Kay. Hey guys, Mr. Bobbin here. Welcome back to my second crocheting vlog, and I honestly do not know what this video is going to be about because I'm going to be filming for a span of like a couple of days, so I don't even know what's going to be in here, but I decided to just film my intro now and get it over with. So today I'm getting ready to take pictures in my parade outfit that I made. And I'm gonna be showing you guys behind the scenes of me and my sisters taking pictures together because it's a vlog and that's what you do. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and I feel like I had something else to say. For now, I'm going to go get ready really quick. Well, not really quick, but I'm gonna go get ready and then show you guys all the behind the scenes of the process of us taking the pictures. And my battery's about to die, so okay, so we're out here now taking pictures, but I forgot that I'm actually taking pictures on my camera, so it's gonna be hard for me to film all of us taking pictures. But after I take pictures on my camera, I'm gonna take pictures on my phone and film all of that. But here is the one and only Copy Callie. Copy Callie.
Copy Kelly here.
And here is
So cute.
the one and only
The one.
Crochet. I always forget your name. Crochet with Kay. Okay, ew, why do I look like that? Ew, oh my god, why do we look like this?
What the heck? We look like.
Oh no, heck no. I gotta start this over. There we go. Ew, well, that was so bad. Anyway, I don't even know what day it is. Okay, I know what day it is, but I'm talking about like for the vlog. I don't even know what I was recording before this. I'm literally, oh my god.
It's me every time.
I'm literally going to have to fish for these clips because they're everywhere. Because I film some on my phone, then I film on here, like it's everywhere. But today, I'm going to be packaging. Well, we already packaged the orders for the yarn bundles, but we're gonna have to like print out all the invoices, the sticky part you slap on a. I forgot what they're called. What's that thing called? The thing you slap on the
label?
The labels. We're gonna be putting all the labels on the boxes and then taping and then taping all of the packages up to get them ready to be shipped off. So I actually wasn't gonna film this process, but then I was like, it's a vlog and this is what I'm gonna be doing for the day, so I might as well show it. After we package all of that, then I'm going to come back and edit this yarn haul video I'm going to be posting later this week, and then I'll update whenever like I get to it, because I don't know what else I'm gonna be doing for now. And then that might actually be it for today, but I'll just update later on so you guys can see. So yeah. Bye. Okay, so me and my sisters are getting ready. I just smacked myself. Me and my sisters are getting ready to go to the park so we can crochet, so I can make this vlog a little different than my other videos where I'm just sitting at my bed crocheting like a boring person. So we're gonna go to the park and it's super hot, so let's hope we don't fry. But we're gonna go chill, crochet, and I'm gonna start crocheting my oversized sweater that I'm gonna be using my KC Element yarn with. So that's what I'm going to be working on, and I'm also going to have a separate crochet with me video on that, but I'm going to start it in this vlog and then you guys will see the finishing product in another video. So yeah, we're gonna go, and yeah. Oh, and then I also made this tote bag, a big tote bag. It has all my yarn in it, and I guess I will come out with a tutorial and pattern soon. And if I do, you guys need to thank Monica, who keeps commenting on how I need to drop a tutorial and pattern for this bag. So whenever I do, be sure to thank Monica. So yeah, big tote bag tutorial coming soon. Be on the lookout for that. And that's all I have to say now. Bye. So I have my chair, and my sisters are back there, and now we're heading to the park. Okay, so we're at the park now, and I look very orange, but anyway, here's Copy Callie and Crochet with K in the park. Ooh, so pretty. So yeah, we're just chilling and getting ready to crochet, so I'm not really going to be talking much after this clip. Yeah, so let me stop talking, so let's get right into it. Anyway, so this is my ribbing so far. I wanted to make it like super big since it's oversized, and it was her idea. Let me not take all the credit.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I'm gonna stop filming because I got enough footage, and I literally only got this far in all that footage for like no reason. And her camera just died.
I was like, what was that?
But yeah, so I'm just gonna continue crocheting and then come back when we're leaving the park, which is I don't know when, but you'll see. I don't know. Okay, bye. Okay, so I had to move because my sister's back there recording, and she was taking too long because she talks too much. Crochet with Kate, if you didn't already know. But we're going inside now, and this is how much I got done. My ribbing is this long. It definitely fits around my waist, but I want it to be super oversized. But I think I'll only do a couple more rows and then I'll be done with it. But this is how it looks. The sun is kind of not setting, not really, because the sun sets at like 8 and it's almost 7. So I feel like my hair is flying away. But yeah, so we're gonna go inside and ease and chill, and then I'll probably finish my ribbing and start the panel, the body panel itself, later on tonight. But I won't be filming that because this isn't a crochet with me, it's a crochet vlog, so crocheting vlog. But anyway, that's it. And if I look orange just because the sun is like smacking my face right now. So yeah, and those are my siblings right there with my brother. Okay, bye. Okay, so this is the end of the vlog. I know that this vlog was like literally everywhere, and my last vlog was more structured than this one, but it's a vlog, you know. It can be anything. It can be structured. It doesn't have to be structured, and this definitely was not structured because honestly I didn't even know I didn't even know half the clips I filmed and stuff. I just found them and then put them together. So yeah, they're everywhere, but that's how my life is, just everywhere. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not, and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And that's it. Bye. No, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.